So, it said that Chelsea is currently now in talks of appointing Xabi Alonso as their new manager or head coach. It's madness. Here we need someone who understands the Liverpool culture to bring the identity back, but we are holding on to someone that is going to destroy this club further. They're going to give money to someone who doesn't even know how to spend it, buying in players and not even using them in the right positions. If there's someone Liverpool need, a Xabi Alonso. He will know how to use Florian Wirtz. He will know how to use Frimpong. He will know how to use each and every player. He will make sure Chiesa Rio gets game time. But if we lose Xabi Alonso to Chelsea, our board is fucked.